Hello children, in the last video we finished till page number 35. Now we are going to study on page number 36, that is subtraction with regrouping. See and learn. We are going to see and learn. Okay children. Now first one, subtract 38 from 252. Now what are we going to do is we are going to subtract 38 from 252. Okay, now you see 252, here is 200, that is hundreds bar into 2, so 200s. Here 1 2 3 4 5 tens, 2 ones, so 252. So how are we going to do it? You just see, regrouping in tens and ones. Okay, this is the step 1, then will be the step 2, and there will be the step 3. So subtract the ones. Okay, now we are going to subtract the ones first. Okay, then regroup 110 into 10 ones. 110 into 10 ones. 12 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 4 ones. Now here is 110 ones and this number is over here 252. Here we are going to put it in its places and minus, that is subtract 38. This is in tens, so we are going to place it first 8 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. Okay, and now we are going to see the first step, that is subtracting the ones. Before that we are going to know that we are going to borrow. This is a borrowing sum. Okay, now how are we going to do borrowing sum? First of all we are going to see this number 252 and 38. Between these two, which is the biggest number? This is the biggest number, 252, and 38 is the smaller number. So 252, the bigger number, will be written above, means it will be written first, then the smaller number will be written below the up one. Okay, now from this 252 we will see the ones place. Okay, here the number is 2 and here the number is 8. Here the number is 8. So which one is small? 2 number is smaller than 8. So can we subtract from 2 to 8? No, we are going to borrow. What are we going to do? We are going to borrow. From where we are going to borrow? From the neighboring number. From the neighboring number we will borrow 1 and add it in the ones place. Okay, so now 2 is smaller than 8, right? So what are we going to do? 110 into 10 ones. So we will borrow from 5. Okay, that is 5 tens. Yeah, we'll borrow from 5 tens. We will remove 110 and give it to this poor 2 ones. Okay, so here we removed 110, it became 10. 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2 became 12. Okay children, now you see over here, this is the one. 1 2 3 4 5. Here there are 5 tens. Okay, now this one we removed and add it over here. So this 5 tens will turn into 10 ones. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So there are 10 ones plus 2 which is already there. Okay, so 10 plus 2 became 12. Okay, and here how many remained? 1 2 3 4 remain, because 1 is removed and given to the ones place. So here you see 10 plus 2 became 12, so we will cut this 2 and make it 12. Okay, then from here, from 5 we removed 1 10, so remain 4 tens. Okay, we cut and write 4. Okay, so 12 minus 8. Okay, this is 12 ones. Cut 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many remained? 1 2 3 4. So answer is 4. So 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. This is the first step we did. Now we will move on to the second step, that is subtract the tens. We will subtract the tens. Now how much was over here? 4. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. You just see over here 1 2 3 4. 4 minus 3, you see, cut 3. 1 2 3, cut. How many remain? 1. So 4 minus 3 becomes 1. Now we will do the third step. Subtract the hundreds. 2 hundreds minus 0 hundreds is equal to 2 hundreds. You see, these two are all the same, which is done from the first and the second step. So the answer and everything is the same. Only we have to see the third one now. So 200 minus 0 hundred is equal to how many? 2 hundreds. Okay, so the answer will be 252 minus 38 is equal to 214. Okay, so we subtracted 252, okay, minus 38, we got 214. Okay children, from 38 we subtracted, okay, 252, so we got the answer 214. Have you all understood children? Okay, bye.